So this Ewedu soup combo basically blew up my mind. I didn't believe I could pull off such a stunt, and it was yummy. Please try this at home. Hi food lovers, welcome to Smoke and Spice by Victoria. On today's video I cooked jute leaf soup, Ewedu asepo with egusi. Maybe wondering who cooks Ewedu and egusi. So here is the egusi grounded with ubirope. I would have used locust bean, but I didn't get. So this is my onion, this is my seasoning, okay, and the salt. This is my palm oil, alright, and this is the broom for mashing the jute leaf. And here is my fish. I use coated fish. This is basically a low budget soup, very cheap, a cheap soup, pocket friendly. You don't have to break the bank to cook this kind of soup. So I cook the pocket friendly, cheap Nigerian soup, right? So I'm setting the fire. Next thing, I put my pot on the fire, then I add water to it and allow it to boil. Honestly, I didn't believe, because when I was thinking of what to prepare this week, so it just came to my mind, why not just make a Ewedu combo, you know? I was okay, and I told somebody was said, who cooks a Ewedu with a melon? How will it come out? I said, okay, let me go and try it. So I give it a challenge, and here it is. So that's my onion and melon pounded. So this is not a normal molded melon. I actually wanted the egusi to mold. I don't want it to look like normal egusi, no. I wanted a little more, so to bring the beauty of the jute leaf in the soup. So here the water is boiled. I am adding my jute leaf already. I didn't add bicarbonate, I mean the calm, to this soup, because I'm cooking Ewedu soup. I'm not cooking separate slimy Ewedu. So here the Ewedu is cooked, so I'm ready to be mashed. Alright, so now let's mash. Now I'm mashing the Ewedu. I actually cook a cook also with this. This soup came out 10 over 10. It was it was delicious, and I enjoyed it with Amala. So you can actually enjoy this food with any swallow of your choice, like Amala, fufu, eba, semo. You know, it doesn't pick any soup. So this is it. Now it's ready. So I will set this aside to start preparing the egusi. Now here I put my pot on the fire, transfer it to the cooking gas. Added my oil to the pot to sizzle. Okay, what do you think about this soup? Please leave it in the comment section. Would you try this soup at home? Please comment it in the comment section. Now I added the melon, so I added water to the end to let this soup soften, so that I don't have molded melon in this. I don't want a thick, big molded melon. I wanted it light, you know, a smaller piece, a smaller chunk, not something that I can. That's like the previous video I made. So here now I turn it to allow the egusi separate very well. Okay, so next thing now, I use the face of the soup. It's very inviting, you know. The aroma was already filling the air. If I added the root to the soup, I wonder how it would have been. Okay, this soup was nice. It came out delicious. So the next thing I'll add now is to add my pepper and crayfish. Here is pepper. I use most of the things I use in this soup came from my kitchen, so I have to like pick things in the kitchen to cook this soup. So after that, now I'll add my salt. Okay, so I add the salt to it and also stir it. Right, continue stirring because I don't want it to burn. If I don't stir it, it might get burned and spoil my soup. So I add my seasoning. I've always preferred this seasoning. My daughter said, why do you always like it? I said, well, I prefer it. I love it. My favorite seasoning with no. So those are my two favorite seasonings. If I don't have them, I don't know. So I added water a little bit to it. Okay. Please watch this video to the end and see the end product. So now I'm adding my fish, my coated fish. So after adding this fish, I'll allow it to cook. I cover it to allow the fish to cook for a few minutes. Okay, this is a pocket friendly soup, a low budget jute leaf. You don't have to start thinking out of, okay, will I go to buy the stew separate, will I go to cook stew separate and make the, you know, if you don't have, you know, more enough for that, you can make this soup. This soup is, and it can serve like can serve 10. This one serves more than 10 meals, like 10 people, you know. So this soup is delicious. Honestly, it's delicious. Please try it at home and thank me later. So I covered it to cook. Can you see the thick steam coming from it? So here it is now. I'm getting ready to add my jute leaf. Okay, I'm getting ready to add my jute leaf to this soup. All right. Okay, so I stir it. I don't want the fish to overcook so that it will not start breaking off. Right. The pepper, the salt, the everything were well incorporated in the soup, and it was giving a 10/10 taste, a very yummy taste. So now I'm adding my jute leaf, the final thing I add. This is where the excitement comes. This is where actually gets me excited here. This is the fun of the soup, adding the jute leaf to the soup. Okay, I wasn't actually specific how the soup will come, but I knew that I wanted to make something like this. I pictured it in my mind and actually made this. So here it is, the Ewedu Soup with egusi, like a very cheap soup that tastes $1 billion soup. Don't mind me. So here now the soup is getting ready. At this stage now, I will not cover it. I didn't cover it. Let me say. So I didn't cover it because I don't have to cover it because it's a draw soup. So I will not have to cover it. I like to cook completely here. Okay, please watch to the end. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment in the comment section. Okay, all right. So my soup is getting ready. It's almost done. All right, my Ewedu combo is almost done. I enjoy this food with Amala. You can also enjoy with you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. As I've said earlier, any swallow of your choice. So it doesn't have to say it is the Ewedu soup. Please, for more local dishes and cheap food, subscribe to my channel.